Hi guys, so we're doing a screen replacement for Samsung A8 2018. So this is the new screen. This is the phone with the cracked screen. So this is a little bit difficult repair, so you have to be careful. So this one you don't need require many tools. Many repairs they do, many technicians they do in different ways. So everyone have their own way. So the way I do it is, so we have to remove the back glass. So I use a heat gun to heat the back glass. So I use the surgical blade to make a little opening, to make a little. This phone has already been opened, so it's easier, but so you have to just make an opening between the glass and the frame of the phone, and then just hold it with your finger and then just slide in with a playing card. So we recommend the plastic playing card. You just go all around it. So make sure on this right hand side near the torch, that's the fingerprint flexes there, so you have to be careful not to break it. So once you get a little opening, you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a flex there. You can just disconnect it from the motherboard. So once disconnected, you just go around and then just once all the glue is loosened. So even if you break the back glass, the back glass is not that expensive to replace. So now we go ahead and remove all these screws.
I'm not saying you are going somewhere. You are staying by yourself.
So once all the screws have been removed, so we go remove all these plates with the wireless charger, so we have to be careful not to damage anything. You can start in this area, or this surgical mask, this surgical blade is very useful for all repairs. You can buy them from eBay. So there will be 3 pieces.
This one making California. iPhone always from America.
Okay, so this one there might be
Yeah, this is from China.
screw left. That's why it's not coming up. Okay, so once you remove all these plates, so we don't need to actually remove the motherboard for this one. So all we do is make sure we disconnect the battery. Here we just can disconnect, and then we're just going to remove this display from here. This is the connector for the screen. So once we go ahead do that, you can just turn the phone around. So we're gonna remove the screen now by hitting the screen with the heat gun. So make sure the screen is hot enough, so and the glue is loosened. So same thing, use the blade, make an opening and just slide around it with the card. You might want to wear a glove. Just slide around. So we go ahead and remove the screen. So now we just need to clean all the glue, any broken glass left on the frame, have to remove it. So when we put the new screen, the screen sits flat, and if there is just in case glass left on the frame, the screen most likely will just crack. So it's important we remove all the cracked glass and the existing glue. So to put the new screen, if you get a refurbished screen, most likely you're not gonna get any adhesive tape here. But in this case, this is a service pack Samsung screen. So you have glue in the middle. All you need to do is remove all this plastic. So we use the B7000 glue adhesive. So this one you can get from AliExpress, from eBay. Just using it for the frame only. So once we're done with this side,
I go ask you money. Please. Here we help you. That's
so once
you are customer, we are shopkeeper. That's all.
put the glue on both sides, it's time to put the screen back on.
Better give your own address and ask them to send to your address.
So
They
you
will
just
send you. That's it.
install the screen.
Oh my God. These people, how they did it.
Make sure it's installed evenly. So now we just connect the LCD connector, battery, and then just put these three shields back to, then screw all the screwdrivers again, and then reinstall the back glass.